What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you, and this is another Spac. And this stock is actually one of the smallest stocks out there because it has recently been announced that they are going to be merging with, and that stock is none other than CF Finance Acquisition. Ticker symbol is CFII. Now, this stock is merging with View. What this stock is actually pretty much a futuristic, technological, innovative company. What they do is pretty much windows and reflecting windows and kind of like changing the texture and the lighting from a window coming in and out. This is a very, very innovative company, and I want you guys to be very prepared. This is a very speculative stock that I'm introducing to you guys. You guys definitely need to be well aware of your risk tolerance getting into this stock. But I think the stock has a lot of potential. I'm going to go over all of that in this video and show you why I'm going to be trading it. And I might be holding it for a little bit because this is one of those stocks that could take a little bit of time, that could go up or it could go up very quickly. So it's all depends on supply and demand of this stock. Anyways, with that said, let's waste no further time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's check out what's going on stockcharts.com for finance acquisition, ticker symbol CFII. As you guys can see, this stock just got notice on the market that it is going to be merging with company View, and there's not a lot of action going on right now, which is fantastic part for us because you want to buy this stock pretty much at the bottom. And what I'm suggesting is wait for this stock to go a little bit down. I do not want you guys getting this too high. I think if you guys want to really get into this stock, you should get it probably around $10.20 or below to minimize any risk, right? Because this stock can go anywhere since it has just been announced, and it could really pop up all the way probably around $12 to $15, or it could just die back down to around $10. As you guys know, SPACs usually they start around $10 and they don't go too often that low. This one did go all the way to 9.6. That's why I'm telling you guys, try to aim for 10.2 or below, just so you guys don't get burnt at all, or you get tired of holding this for too long, so you have a chance of getting out. All right, like I said, this stock is merging with the company called View, and they're pretty much like a smart window, smart glass financial technology innovation company, and they're removing blinds, right? Like your windows have blinds to cover any like sunlight coming in, and this is like no ordinary glass company. Like what happens is the glass changes the way light texture comes in, and like shadows and anything like that. It's extremely innovative, and that's why I find it very interesting to get into this. And I'm going to show you a little bit deeper as we go. Okay, so this is pretty much the transaction going on with this company. CF Acquisition Corp, CFII, is merging with View. What they have is PIPE, about $300 million in there, and the acquisition company holds about $500 million in cash. The company is going to be worth about $1.6 billion after the merger, and the company that's merging with will have a nice, strong balance sheet. And the way it's set up is that there is pretty much only 27% is going to be like about SPAC holders and 14% PIPE. And the majority is going to be the insider holding of the company, which is the View owner. All right, so I'm going to take you guys to the company, to the website, and show you what this company is all about. It's pretty cool. I think it's extremely innovative, and you guys can see how the smart windows really work. Once you guys get to their homepage, they have a little video you guys can check out if you like. It tells you about the CEO and what they're doing, their innovation, and it tells you about how it helps with using these windows, how it helps like minutes of sleep, productivity for your employees, and exactly like all that they have to offer, like the way that it changes colors with the windows, the technology it comes up with. It has a lot to offer, and I find this very innovative because you can use the windows as a special way to like draw or like post stuff. and like do different technological stuff for your company with, right? You could, this company is a lot more different than your usual window company at the same time, because they're offering you a lot more bang for your buck, even though it's going to probably cost you 50% more than regular windows. But at the same time, you're saving money on tinting the windows, blinds, electricity, because you're allowing more light to come into your building. And also, you're improving employee environment as well as satisfaction. And of course, this is going to definitely be increasing the value of the building itself that uses this technology on their windows, right? So it's a very innovative company. I know it's all like glass, and you guys think, oh my gosh, glass is boring, right? But like, they have a huge potential of inside the market share, and I'm going to go over that very briefly, and I'm going to show you who is using it. Like right now, FedEx is using them. There's hospitals that use them. There's universities that use them. There's Alaska Airlines. A lot of other airlines probably use them. And there's banks that use them. They have a huge variety of people who already are using them, and it could be very good type of company you can start a small investment in and see where it goes. There's a few things that they do provide, like improving human health and productivity. They decrease 50% reduced eye strain, 63% fewer headaches, they saying, less likely to have depression, 37% more sleep minutes, and a lot more cognitive ability as well as productivity for your employees at the same time. Here's a few more things that they do offer. Like I said, 50% reduction in eye strain, 37% more sleep. It's more energy efficient. It's more, you feel more like your outside environment instead of being stuck inside an office. So that's why it's going to increase productivity, which will also increase profit. And that means higher productivity as well as higher rent. Like, let's say you use it in one of your real estate, that means you're gonna be able to rent it out about 5% more. So here's what you get with the setup when you buy these. Pretty much you are getting the smart glass, right, and the network, and it's connecting to like an app technology. So you get all of that with some innovative, intelligent, and it pretty much connects to your network as well as your phone. So the way I look at it is pretty much, would you rather have blinds and everything being covered off, or would you rather have these view windows that protect you from light, and you don't have to spend a fortune on like tinting, and you don't have to get closed off from the outside world? And instead of like being inside a dark office, you get to see the outside. You get like a inside-outside office, and it feels like you're kind of like outdoors, and it makes the office space so much more relaxed environment. That's how it's going to increase productivity, and you get a lot more return from your employees because they feel happy just being there. That's why I think this company has a lot of future, because they're going to be very innovative, and doing so can be the future. Now, this company is already pretty much all over the U.S. Over the last 12 years, they have been setting up their windows all over the U.S. territory. One thing I do like about this company is the fact that they have over 1,000 patents. They've been in this business for over 12 years. They pretty much do all the installing of the windows themselves. They don't have a third party. It's all their own work, right? And the company right now is valued about $1.8 billion. Like I mentioned, they do have a variety of customers such as FedEx, Regeneron, Overstock, airports are using them, hospitals are using them, and many other buildings already have been using this company's technology and windows. Right now, this is pretty much a $120 billion industry in the North American area, but globally, it could be worth about $1.2 trillion you can capture in market. Let's look quickly at some financials. They did say they have about $560 million pretty much in backlog. So pretty much that's like pre-orders, right? It's not guaranteed orders, so you do have to be aware of that. So what they're showing is that there is a demand for their products, $560 million already in orders, and they're doing already pretty well. So it's not like they're just starting brand new off the block and nobody even knows them yet. So here is their possible future growth within the next 5 years. They are saying that over the next 5 years, they have some strong fundamentals. They could be growing and capturing about the 1% of the market share. And there is a demand for their products, right? So it's not like it's just going to be something all of a sudden brand new they're going to bring into the market. It is being used already, and big companies seem to already been using it for their windows. Let's look quickly at their valuation pro forma. Pretty much, the company is said to be worth about $2.1 billion, and 23% of this merger is going to be from the SPACs. And after merger, this will come out from a $10 standpoint, about a $2.9 billion. So after merger, what's going to happen is they're going to have no debt, on their balance sheet, right? So their company is going to have some cash balance on their sheet, and it's going to be debt free, which makes the company a lot more attractive. That's what made me want to actually get into this stock, because once they do the SPAC merger, their debt will be pretty much wiped out, and they'll have some cash on their balance sheet. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post any buys and sells I make on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do a video on, and I'd be happy to do a video on it, or I might just answer your question inside the comment section below. Also, right now, if you guys want 4 free stocks, WeBull right now gives 4 free stocks during this promotion time. 1 for just signing up to use their platform, and 3 additional stocks when you make a deposit of $100 or more, and WeBull will give you 4 stocks, all for a minimum of $8 all the way up to $1,600. Also, if you guys want another free stock, FirstTrade gives a free stock. Check the links all in the description box below. And if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives out a free stock. Check everything in the description box below. Thank you again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.